Hello guys, I am Arvind from the Furious Skulls. This time we are doing something new, and as you can see, I burned my finger while soldering because I was making this. It's an FM transmitter. For your fact, FM means frequency modulation, and I was not the only one who had done this. So I will be explaining about all this, but before I explain, I will show you my two other, no, not assistants, but my friends. Nilesh, come here. Hey.
Hi man. Hi guys.
Come here, Pak.
Hi guys.
Guys. Stop.
Stop.
So, to explain, for starters, this is the switch button. These are called capacitors, and this thing is not in a working state right now. So, if you want it to be working, please, guys, like, share, and subscribe, guys. It's important. So, please subscribe. So, as you can see, this is the the range and the frequency. You can change it to find out the the channel on which this transmitter is going to be. This is the microphone. These sorts of capacitors, different varieties of resistors, each are ohms. So we all had to calculate the ohms to find out which place should be in which, and this is the power to find out if it's working. And as you can see, I've soldered this stuff behind. We have soldered it,
And it took a lot of time to solder.
and by that process I burned my finger. It really hurts. And this is the battery. For right now, it's not working stage because as you can see, it's not still working. So if you want this to working, you know what to do. Pause the video, subscribe, hit that red color thing, man. Red color will be.
And next to the bell icon, please.
It will look like a face only.
And please comment.
Yeah, please comment, guys. So watch it in the next video. And be sure, guys, I just remembered, we are also going to make types of phone users in which all of our friends are going to be there. So please do subscribe channel to get more updates on
And our new friend Amanwa will also be in that video.
Yes, guys. So yeah, so now what is, there are springs over here, these springs, and these springs cannot change the value, guys. These things,
And if you expand it,
it changes
it changes value.
So we don't know, we're not still sure to use it, so we will properly find out and use it properly to make this work. And also how it works is, when we speak into the microphone, these frequency and range, converts the sound waves into radio waves and puts in the FM radio. We will be showing Nilesh and Vyapak will definitely show you how it actually works. So guys, until then, please like, share and subscribe. If you like the video, like. If you don't like.
And if you want to buy the set, go to Amazon and click
SIYY.
Do it.
I will put the link in the description so you can surely buy it if you're very interested. And we'll also be showing how to make it once we get very familiar with it and it works. So until then,
Bye guys.